Alright, this is new system test 2 with the Simplex 4010 addressable fire alarm control panel. The only trouble on the system right now is just the battery trouble. So for this test we have expansions. We still have the addressable pull station here. We have a remote strobe, a junction box, and now we have wires that are running over, and down to a spectral alert remote strobe. And then down to a spot that's going to be a pull station. I have to get a addressable module first, but there's going to be a pull station there. And then there's wires that end up going down under the floor. So where might that go? That's right, we have an expansion in the basement. So we're going to head down there right now, and I will show you the expansion. Got my B key with me because we'll need it. Okay, coming down the steps. We have a junction box right there. And in here we have another addressable pull station and a key switch. Now the key switch currently is not wired up because again I need a addressable ZA or a monitor module for it, an addressable ZAM module. I'm going to have that wired as a supervisory. I'll explain that when I get that done. And here's the pull station. Now coming into the ceiling over here, we have a spot for a smoke detector. I need to get another addressable smoke detector head. I only have a base right now. I need to get a head for that. And then over here, let me turn this light on real quick. We've got a junction box. Coming over here, we have a spectral alert remote ceiling strobe down here. And then out in the garage, let me head out there. Out in the garage, we have a 4903 mechanical horn strobe. And then I'm also going to have a pull station somewhere right here, but I don't have a module yet, so that's why I didn't wire that up. And then there's another wire coming along the ceiling. Over here we have an addressable true alarm. That's address 3. The pull station down here is address 2, and then the pull station upstairs by the panel is address 1. So we're going to start it. I'm going to do a test, and then I'm going to do a walk test. So we're going to start the test with this pull station right here, and the system is coded to march time. So you're going to hear it go off in march time, and then we'll change the coding option. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. You can hear the horn going off. Addressable. The strobe's going off. You can hear the relay going in march time. So you can see manual pull station, basement, alarm 1 out of 1, silence. Alright, I'm going to reset, and then we're going to change the coding options. And the batteries are in here, but they're not hooked up right now because they're bad batteries, so I have to get replacements, and then eventually I'll be able to clear that battery trouble. Okay, system reset complete. So I'm going to log in really quick to level 4. Okay, we get a service mode trouble. Now we're going to go to programming. And then we go to system options. And then we go to audible NAC. See, right now it's on fast march. We're going to do temporal. We'll save our config. The panel's going to restart, and then we can do temporal coding. Okay, acknowledge troubles. I'm going to get a battery trouble in a minute pop up. There's our battery trouble. Alright, so I'm going to go do smoke detector, and we'll have it in temporal. Back out here, we'll do the true alarm. Now for this, I have a speaker that I use for the test magnet, because it's a pretty powerful one, so that's going to be doing temporal. There's the device there. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going to reset, and then the last pull station we're going to do is this one, and we're going to do continuous. Yes, continuous, which is very loud. I don't think I'm going to do slow march today. I guess I could try it, but after this I'm going to do a walk test. And yes, I also have to neaten up this wiring. I'm going to zip tie it, and then I'm going to secure it so it's more level as well. So, I'm going to go ahead and log into level 4 again. Go to programming. System options, so we go back to our visual NAC, audible NAC. And now we will go to steady. God, this is going to be loud. Okay, save our config. By the way, I'm sorry if the quality of this video is a little bit worse. My phone is dead right now, so I'm using my older digital camera to record. But it should be alright. Okay, again, gonna wait for the battery trouble to pop up, and then we'll pull it. Okay, by the way, I just wanted to mention that I got a couple new devices I'll be showing you. I also got a spare 4010 SFIO board and chassis assembly. Anyway, oh god, this is going to be horrible. Here we go. Continuous. I'm not even going to go out there, it's so loud. you can hear it. Quickly, we have to silence, because that is loud. Okay, reset. And then we'll do walk test. And there's what the panel looks like closed, by the way. Okay, so we'll go to walk test. I'll change the coding back to march time later. So we want to go to walk test. Or I'm sorry, we have to log in because it logged out. So we'll log in to level 2 or level 3. Alright, then we'll go to walk test. Walk test. We'll go to audible. Turn it on. Alright, so now the unit is in walk test active in system. So, I'm going to do a walk test. So, the way walk test works on this panel is it pulses the address of the device over the NACs. So this is 0.1, so it's going to go once. You probably won't hear the horn, but you'll hear the relay click. So here we go. Okay, that's that one. And then we'll go do the pull station downstairs and the true alarm. Alright, this is 0.2, so it'll go twice. Here we go. Alright, now the cool thing about Simplex is if you activate the same point again, it's going to do two short blasts to tell you that it's already been tested, so you'll hear that now. Maybe that wasn't long enough. There we go. And it'll do that infinite number of times if you do the same point. We'll do it again. Alright, quickly, we'll do the true alarm. Running out of time here. Okay, very quickly, do the true alarm. Okay, it did 3 blasts because it's address 3. Alright. Now we'll go upstairs and we will reset the panel, take it out of walk test, and that'll conclude this video. Again, I'm sorry for the shaky camera work and the lower quality and the rush of this video, but just had to get it out of the way here because again, this camera is running out of recording time. Okay. So we go back to walk test, and then we go to off. Walk test is updated and now it's doing a reset. And it looks like we're going to finish this just in time. So once it resets, we will conclude the video. And I have to test that sometime too, the 4001. Alright, we'll reset. And that's it. We'll log out. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I guess to end the video off, I'll go ahead and we'll activate this system. Why not?